Hello guys, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. So in this video I want to show you how to use the brand new Instagram font styles we recently updated in new Instagram. So if you want to use the new fonts on Instagram, make sure you update your Instagram app from the Play Store or App Store. And once you successfully update your Instagram app, then you will be enabled to get the new Instagram font style. So as you can see, I have fully updated my Instagram. So now I want to open up the Instagram. So if you want to make your better typography experience on Instagram, so you can simply update your Instagram app to get the new fonts. So first I want to create the blank Instagram story. So tap on your Instagram story, and once you create the new Instagram story with the camera, and if you want to type something here, so for example I want to type first something. So as you notice that at the left side of the modern font, so you can see there is a Rosalia new font. So this is the new font which recently introduced on Instagram, and you can also get a couple of other new fonts if you switch to the left side. So you can see every font is mention here, so you can simply select the text, and if you select a specific font, so you notice that the font effect will be applied to your typography, and you can see I have selected this one, but I want to select the new here. So as you can see, I have successfully get the new Instagram fonts by using this method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.